How to leave a review for a supplier on Alibaba. Want to help other buyers? This guide shows you how to leave a review for a supplier on Alibaba, so you can share your experience and help others make a good decision. First, go to Orders page and find the order that you want to review. You'll see a button that says Leave a Review. Tap on it and start the process. You can leave a star rating and write a review about experience with the supplier. You can also upload pictures and videos of the product. Make sure you are honest and fair in your review so you can help other buyers make a good decision. Leaving a review is very important because it helps other buyers find good suppliers. A supplier with a lot of good reviews is most trustworthy and can be a good choice for your business. So make sure you leave a review after every order. You now know how to leave a review for a supplier. Help other buyers find good suppliers. Like and subscribe for more business tips.